Hello everyone, this is Abhishek Lekhar in front of you. Today I am at the most famous places of Gwalior and most historic places of Gwalior. And it is none other than it is our Sun Temple. Do you know where is Sun Temple? It is only 5 kilometers away from our Gwalior station. And if you are coming in Gwalior, then you have to visit Sun Temple once in a time. Okay? So let's start our Sun Temple session. So, this is our way to the temple. There are a lot of greenery and huge gardens which make this temple very beautiful. If you just look at the garden, there are huge trees which make this temple very beautiful. You can also see there are a lot of greenery and there are a lot of birds which are making this temple very beautiful. Now I am telling you the beautiful history of our famous and historic Sun Temple. It was a time of 1984 when G.D. Birla had decided to make a temple. This temple is a replica of the famous Sun Temple of Konark, which is situated in Odisha. The height of this temple is 76 feet and 1 inch, which make this temple very beautiful and attractive in all the historic temples. These 7 horses are the symbol of 7 days in a wheel, and these 24 wheels are the symbols of 24 hours in a day, and it is a very fine art of our artist. The art and craft of this temple is on another level. These 3 gods, Vishnu, Brahma and Mahesh, surround the main Sun Temple. These were the statues of Mr. and Mrs. Birla. On this chariot, there are 365 statues of God, which symbolizes the 365 days in a year. The art and craft of this temple is on another level. The artist played a vital role in making this temple very beautiful. It had a very fine art. It was quite difficult for our artist at that time in making this temple and gave it a perfect shape, but they did it very clearly and by their hard work and dedication. This temple covers the area of 20,500 square feet. In the starting, it was named as Tapovan Garden, but after its building, it was named as the Sun Temple. The outer area of this temple have greenery all around. There is lot of fresh air also. It was built on the basis of Khajuraho Temple also. It is located in a very well maintained garden. Thank you guys for watching this video, and we have covered our session. So please like, comment and share this video. Thank you guys.